Hai guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again with me, Fatimah Zahra. This time, I will be storytelling about beauty and the beast. Once upon a time, there was a struggling trader. He lived with his daughter Beauty. In a small village in France. The trader left his home for a business trip, leaving his daughter Beauty behind. On his way home from his business trip, he had to pass through a dark forest. As he was tired, he looked for a place to sleep. He found a magical castle and knocked on the door. There was no answer. The trader crept inside and found the castle was empty. However, there was a table covered with dishes of food and a large, comfortable bed. After eating a full meal, he curled up in the bed and went straight to sleep. The trader woke up feeling fresh the next morning, and still there was no sign of life in the castle. While searching, he came across a vibrant rose bush in the garden. He thought to himself that Beauty would love a rose as a gift. When he arrived home, he reached out and cut a red rose from the strange bush. Immediately a phylum and loud roaring sound came from the bush. Something swept the trader off his feet and tumbled him to the ground. A vicious beast jumped out of the bush. He towered over the trader and scowled down at him. He wore a long, red velvet cap around his furry neck, and he said, "You come into my home, and then you dare to steal my roses." The trader was speechless. His face froze in horror. It was then that a little voice shouted from afar, "Father!" Yes, it was Beauty. She had gone in search of her father when he had not returned home on time. The beast looked at Beauty and her father, and he said, "I will let you go to pay for your crime, but your daughter will stay with me forever." The father paid the beast not to give them such a punishment. However, Beauty loved her father very much, and she promised to stay in the castle if he was allowed to go free. The beast picked up Beauty's father and his paws and threw him out of the garden. Beauty's father was afraid and he ran away to the village. At first, Beauty was terrified to stay in the castle. She was afraid of the pig's monstrous looks. However, Beauty soon learned that the pig's heart was kind. He treated her with care, making sure she was fed and warm. He would keep her company while she was reading or exploring the castle. The beast fell in love with Beauty, and he said, "Will you marry me?" "I don't want to because I still miss my father and want to see him again." "If you want to see your father's face, then ask this little magic mirror." The mirror lit up, and in it was Beauty's father. He lay in bed gravely ill alone. "Beast, please let me see my father. He is dying." "Okay, I will allow you to see your father." Beauty left for weeks to nurse her father back to health, and she was happy at home. One night, after a few weeks at home, Beauty had a terrible nightmare in which she saw that the beast was ill. He was dying in his bed. Beauty was afraid for him. As soon as she woke up the next morning, she ran straight back to the castle. After back to the castle, she saw the beast lying in the same bed that she had seen in her dream. And she said, "Please, don't leave me." Then all of a sudden, the beast transformed into a handsome young prince. He stood up and turned to face Beauty. "I was once a prince, but I was put under this terrible curse. Only true love could break it. You have saved me because you learned to love me for who I am. You did not look at me and see only a beast." Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.